Is law school a place you see yourself in? You need a quick survival guide on how to survive law school? I've got you covered. Here are 10 things you wish you knew before joining law school. Okay, you've got a lot of law aspirants on this channel, okay, trying to get into law schools through multiple means. You will end up in law school through one way or the other. But most important is surviving it, okay, making the most of it. I will guide you on how to make the most of the whole challenge that you've put yourself through. So watch the video till the end. Number one, lots of reading. Okay, before CLAT or other law entrance exams, you did read, okay, and you were asked to read a lot. There was a point, okay, there was a reason why they were asking you to read a lot. It is because so you can survive even after admission. Reading is required not just for admission but also post admission. Lot of research papers have to be written. Okay, lot of case studies have to be crammed and read. Okay, some case studies will be sent a night before your lecture or a day before your lecture, which have to be read. Otherwise, you cannot access the lecture. So, a lot of reading is required. Build your reading skills, your comprehension skills, and your reading speed beforehand. Okay, tons of competition. You know that. Okay, you already know how competitive most of these exams are. So, all the people who are making it through will be the creme de la creme, right? So, how to survive, how to navigate such a competitive environment, I will guide you. Okay, make sure to network. It is the most important part. You know, legal space is a very close knit community. Okay, first gen lawyers, they face big trouble surviving such a close knit nepotistic community. Okay, so network is the only way out. Network with everybody. Network with your classmates, your alumni, your professors, your seniors and your juniors. क्योंकि पता नहीं कब कौन काम आ जाए. Okay, so network, have a good relation, have good communications, display good behavior with all of those people. Okay, because job market for lawyers is always going to be very hard. Okay, interact with your professors. Please don't diminish or dismiss your professors. Okay, respect them and make the most of them. How will you make the most of them? By asking them for valuable insights. You can ask valuable insights on a particular chapter or a case study. Ask valuable insights on how you can build your future, your resume. Okay, build good relations with them. Be very respectful of them. And if they, are comfortable, they will give you some good LORs also later, which are very useful. Letter of recommendations are very useful later. So you can always use professors for LORs later. So build a good relationship with them. Time management. Time management, important, very important. Okay, so many things you will have to commit to. Okay, societies, clubs, student council, if you are a part of it, academics, exams, deadlines. Okay, you have submissions, so much stuff to do. Then you also have to have a social life. Okay, so all of that has to be scheduled. Okay, college is one place where we learn discipline. Okay, you have to have adequate sleep also because it will cause a burnout. And burnout के फेज में ही बच्चे contemplate करते हैं drop लेने का. A lot of people do end up taking a drop because they're so burned out. So to avoid it, manage your time effectively. Have a schedule made. Okay, this particular hour is for college, for my classes. Okay, this is for self study, this is for my extracurriculars, this is for my social life, these are for my hobbies. Have and cultivate hobbies also during your time at college. Next, build your resume. Okay, again, as I said, it's a competitive space. To outshine everybody else, you need to build your resume. You just cannot have your basic academics put down. Okay, you should have some societies and clubs. Being a class representative is always a plus one. Okay, it really helps. Being a part of the student council, wonderful. If you could be a head of a society or a club, that's wonderful. It helps, really helps later. mood courts, competition, internships, ये सब तो हैं ही. Okay, so all of this improves the quality of your resume. But resume build करते time, don't forget something very important. Don't do things just because others are doing it. Please don't do that. Don't start doing things because others are doing it. Oh, everybody's doing this Olympiad, let me also give it. Oh, everybody's doing this internship. Even though, I don't have the skill set, but because everybody is doing it, let me also just do it. That's bandwagon fallacy. Okay, if you give into it, you become almost homogeneous. You become almost similar to those people. And how are you planning to outshine somebody who's almost similar, has similar experience, has similar skill set as you? So don't do that. Pick a niche. Okay, you think I am good at this, pick a niche. उससे related activities, competition, society, उससे related करो. College is different from school in this particular fashion. Here, in this stage, you are getting ready for the world, okay? And in the world, there are a million of candidates for that one particular job. You need to outshine them, okay? You need to outshine these people. Therefore, you need to pick up a niche. You need to pick up a specialization on which only people can rely on you and nobody else. So don't, start doing everything a little bit and be good at nothing in particular. So don't fall into peer pressure, all kinds of peer pressure, good or bad. Okay, trust your instincts and pick a niche and sharpen that throughout your journey. Okay, don't be scared of know-it-alls. This is what I meant. Most of the people are going to be jack of all trades, but they're going to be master of none. And these are the people who struggle in the job market because they have skills, but they all had entry-level skills. And nobody wants somebody who's at a beginner level of that particular skill because there are already a lot of candidates waiting with proficient skills. So don't be a jack of all trades and master of none because it's a perfect recipe of doom for the insecure. Okay, if you are somebody who's very insecure, please don't follow that insecurity and make decisions. It is going to be a lot of competition, but this competition, use it for your best. Okay, hang around with good people, network with good people. Okay, see how they are managing time, see what the type of activities they are doing, but don't do the same things. See how it's going to help them or if it is going to help them. Only do the activities, societies, clubs, competitions, internships that you know are going to help you later. Okay, don't do them just to add certain titles in your resume. If they make no sense, nobody's going to hire you. Okay, so don't be scared of the know-it-alls. Next, grades are more important than extracurriculars. I gave you this whole lot of gyan on how you should have so many extracurriculars, but that does not mean you can compromise on your grades. Your CGPA or your GPA is equally important, if not more, than your extracurriculars, because that is the first thing that they will check. Okay, for all the internships that you will apply for all the corporate spaces that you will be applying for, they will check your grades. Obviously, they will check your extracurriculars too, but if you don't have the accurate grades, what is the point of all the extracurriculars? Okay, they are extracurriculars. So maintain your grades and your extracurriculars, but don't let the grades fall apart at the expense of extracurriculars. If you think these are suffering, reduce these, okay? Reduce these. Maybe do one or two less stuff, but don't let your grades fall apart because they are more important than extracurriculars. All right, that was it. Just a very quick video because I know a lot of you have fried your attention span, so I keep my videos very short and succinct. Thank you for watching till the end. An additional note, do not date in law schools. Do not date in colleges. It is an absolute mess. You will be ruining your social life and you will be ruining your academics. So that was it from my end. Thank you so much for watching. Use the comment box to share any experiences or if you have or you have heard from other people. Thank you so much.